Here's a quick video on how to swap the output valve of an adapter. This is if you're replacing this, like if it's got a leak or if you need to tighten it, or if a piece of debris got in there and you can hear it leaking, it's staying open or something like that. First is to remove the plunger if you have one. If your adapter has one, you'll see that there's a silver screw on this side, and that's going to use an M3 hex, I believe, to just unscrew it a little bit and let it drop out like that, and then let your plunger drop out. Then you'll use a valve key tool. They make these ones, which are the cheapest ones out there, but they also make bits that you can put on the end of a tool to make it longer, and that's helpful for if your adapter is a longer adapter. But this one should work here. Just put it in and then twist until you feel it drop into the teeth, and then you can unscrew that. This one is actually a little bit too long, so I'm going to use a tool. So you can find these things online. They look sort of like this this little piece here, and it just connects with a hex. So I'll put that in there, catch it, and then unscrew the valve. So if you have a leak or something, then once the valve is unscrewed, you can knock it on the table to get it out, or if in this case, if it's stuck, use a little tool to push the rest of the valve out. Now, what you're looking for on these valves for something that has a leak is this O-ring sometimes can slip off, and you just push it back on, or you'll look and it will have like a little black dot on it, like a piece of dirt or something, and you just clean that off, and then this piece can go back in. Or if you have a new piece, then you'll swap a new piece in. So to swap these in, just wiggle it down until it looks like it's pretty straight in there. Then take your valve key tool, push it in till you can see the O-ring like that. And I'm actually going to be unscrewing it until I feel it jump on the thread like that, so that I know that I can then screw it in and it won't cross thread. So as I'm screwing it in, it's going to have some pressure because it's going to cut a little bit of the threads. And then you'll hit a bottom out point, and at that point you can tighten it just until you get to the next opening so that you've got good airflow. Then you'll take your plunger, and you'll see your plunger has a big side and a small side. The small side goes in. Put the adapter on its side and line up the plunger's guide. Then you can drop your screw in. And for the screw, you're only tightening it until snug. I'm sorry, until it bottoms out, because it's only going to be a couple turns. There we go. And that's valve has been reinstalled.